Looking forward to a big performance from Cork tonight, yeah. Very interested in number 3 for Cork, he's my son. So very interested in him tonight, nobody else.
My husband's nephew is the captain of Cork tonight, so we've all the cousins here and all the families, grandparents here and everything, so we're all looking forward to seeing him play.
Amly sul go mór leis agus bed go dar sé spraig and just na dad shine the down of mama won't you know. We have the full-back's parents here. Dara's parents here, yeah.
We're starved of cups and stuff in Waterford, so look, we'd be just absolutely delighted to bring it home tonight. It would mean the world to.
None of us enjoy the game, to be honest with you. We live every ball with them, so we just hope they play well. That's it. That's all we want.
We lost the last night against Cork, but could have won it, I think. So, no, we'll see. It's all on the night, really.
Sigan gimmert gán ómad, gan éil scór fós. Ceann contoirteach ag Hurling to stigan son agus Arda hinchid an greens na súla better bhfuil brise stigan son níl. Aber bhá dénta cosantóirí for Láirge bhfuil sé good Ceannais. Ag Corcaigh deise go siúda stig an Clipper Timmerhory ag a deireadh tá sé Corcaigh blockál má dénta son. Ibrahimach fad le roirt don of an Ovanistar mui deisir agaid score an Countson Sínta Stock agus Haran shots ná an son. Port Láirge. Láirge scored dog with Hain Connie de Huckrú dar no bontáis de costa of it is Castor Gwyn of Hibrador and shot Deisinis ag Spain oh Tasha Shin go Halianta Haran shots ná an son. He make a ruling council narrator and immer to Glenunta right should gear gay Carshakti Callum Coffey smack the galling ag Coffey Mark Holuder Dara Murphy Coffey oh block all Magenta Neil Hunter Glanta Chastashakti Sean Coughlin Billy Will Deshansa hey Corcaigh cool agus ag a Derritashi sauce the Trey Ono Shea and Coolina Hogan Sean K Desh Veganis a Junta agus na Mionúir féin chóram tá fuair an bhaige Desh ag Spain fécinn sé an orda an Countson ag tastal sor skill agus Alín an tríú Coolín ag fear bhaile gunner Port Láirge teachtanis Congrat an lína aber le déanamh seach chamad leistig déanta go maith ag a Derek Port Láirge agus ag Dylan Murphy on Ruan Moore and Countson squealte stock agus score an Cleggadisha don tarnamh out of Tróna Tommy Coram okay Derek Corcaigh tre Colm Gard oblis in a glán agus aber le déanamh stiganis Countson ag Hurling ag Praba ag a Derrimachti Cormac Dean Cooling Gadisha Dean a Dullistock Mariana can tahar agus Haran Chasnon Far Killy and Tarna Coolina Gashud fight ag Garrod O'Shea $1 Ruher Deshigan Lantasina Shane Power Shazador Cool stop a Savalunta ag Tom C. Walsh Shiksa Cool Beg Willa Cool Vedder Gashaska ag Port Láirge ag Desh Glover and son Cool Power agus Cooler Einting ag Fian Cool Bora Lawn Obultation a stopper Ní bheith founder an first person of Oscailta Moore on Ella Corcaigh ag Teachta Rís Mishnach Gekinton a Guidimer Shakung Jack Coonahan Spásanish Oscailta ag Tom A. Walsh Desher and Tríú Coolín agus tá sé ag a ceisna fé cousin Fort Láirge Bashid Brasás na mar Yasan Corsi and Farhannig a Shaka again Risha Sinead Ryan Deneen o Rawa Aaron Spás na Park Stad Temple also court Desher again scored da Quidon so Sean Owen agus tá sé sin I guess sorry Ericton son ag Corcaigh Le shock sé Tamalín Dove Peter Socrú and Federal Corcaigh Teachtar Nasher Dave Ella Shelf a cut a birthday she ag Shasav an Odistig Shelf come out and son can Raitor squeal lesson nimmertis Raitor on a Clichte agus a Deshinish or Dave Leela Gowlish ag Craig O'Sullivan and Cooigu Countiga Togadine Sar Coolín ag O'Sullivan Burton son ag Irrigate stop a Dacherty and pass a Hartu tá sé plúchta Istig an ish Shane Power Sound has she did Cormac Spain Shahin Far Hunter to Spain Idrigol Carla Tarshif ag Cool oh come Mark Cool ag Cormac Spain do Fort Láirge agus tána déisig óga in an úsach den ish Marianne Paul Flynn at our Farish Dachum Dave Lina. Spain, le Hurriker de Cool. August Todd 3 Norman Gale Fosle Dull. Cool din Shade Scohan Sonic Spain a Cur Dave Ella. Desha Corcaigh Cool Dog with him, I'm sure August Todd. Nada Zillion Tonic Sam Ring. Tonna Cool Egg Chochtanish. Port Láirge Chochtarnash. Hakera Dave Ella. Sam Ring o Carrick Tuhal. Le Hurriker Stock Celine Ton. Agus Ida Dullanish Cool Cool. If you're in a Cornash. Die een goede one is Tulman Coolina Hogache. Big Tree agus Desha one Ella Real Check Coolies. Tushka Tree and Check Cooler East. August Tajay Meshtak. Gadian Angak Egg Cormac Spain. And Town Cotton so Stad Sempel Corcaigh Hashtagam. Column Guard in order. August Desh Crave Namuna Vukant. Marito Jente Corcaigh. She the Venus Faron Tus. She Corcaigh. Atá ag céilúran so.
The end, I'm trying to fathom out in my head actually what happened, like, you know, but they got a brilliant goal from Cormac Spain. Sam Ring, who came on with a sub. Phenomenal for a guy that's underage again next year to come up, put his hand up in the air, go through a few fellas and finish. It was just champagne stuff. There's a lot of time and effort that goes into it for the players and their parents and ourselves, and see that the families and the lads with their friends and schoolmates and clubmates and families. It's fantastic to see that happens that they have.
And finally, to the lads, the hard work, commitment has paid off, and we're now champions of Munster.